From handrails to seats, air vents to lavatories, the cleaning process is more rigorous than ever before, a costly but necessary endeavor to boost business.
The entire thing is wiped down and cleaned with really hospital-grade disinfectant.
Jessica Tyler is president of cargo and vice president of airport excellence at American Airlines. Part of her job is to oversee the company's cleaning protocols, convincing passengers, pilots, and crew that when they walk on board, they'll be as safe as possible.
In the aircraft before every single flight. 81 different touch points are cleaned. It takes a team of about 5 or 6 to work their way through the aircraft and hit all of the high touch areas.
And that's not all. Overnight, each American airliner undergoes an even more extensive cleaning.
Think about the walls, the side panels, the entryways, the flight deck, everything gets a bigger clean, as well as we do the electricals, the entryways, the flight deck, everything gets a bigger clean, as well as we do the electric.
American Allied Bioscience and the EPA to bring a new, stronger cleaning agent to the market.
It's an ionized protective layer that has these little needles. It's an ionized protective layer that has these little needles, these little swords, basically.
The EPA says the formula is strong enough to kill viruses on a surface for up to 7 days. But what about what can't be wiped down, like the air inside the cabin?
The air in a modern aircraft is probably cleaner than the air in your own home.
Here's why. On a plane, the air you breathe is actually a combination of fresh and filtered air that flows through the vents in the ceiling and the floor. Half of it is passed to the outside, while the other half goes through HEPA, or high-efficiency particulate air filters, which remove more than 99% of viruses and bacteria. This filtered air is combined with new outside air before making its way back into the cabin.
So you have an exchange of new air every 2 to 4 minutes. These are the same filters they use in hospitals.
Made even more effective by wearing a mask, a requirement of every major U.S. airline, but not federal law.